Hey everybody, just a quick sneak peek on some of the things that's coming up, and I thought I'd share it with you guys just so that just so you know I haven't forgot about you and that everything's going good. Just been really busy lately, and so without any more time to waste, here we go. So I have the Bronco turned around because I'm actually going to start working on the rear suspension soon, and I have my old bumper here that is going to be replaced with my new to me bumper. It's not brand new, but it already has a winch set up, a 12,000 pound winch and steel bumper. Looking forward to having that on here, so I will have a video for that coming up in a little while. But like I said, I have the Bronco set up in the rear because I'm going to be doing work from behind. I was testing out the jacks that I have, which is a 6-ton jacks, but these jacks are just not tall enough, and I tried to do the whole stack some blocks and all that, and I decided that I didn't want to go that route, and ended up picking me up at Harbor Freight the 12-ton jacks. They go up about 30 inches, and so this will allow me to get to it goes up to about here on the frame. So if anyone's curious, the 12-ton jacks go up about 29 3/8 inches, I think, and it comes to about here on a 2.5-inch lift, just enough to hold the frame up so that I could pull the tires off and lower the axle and stuff for doing a rear end suspension on this. I'm going to be going from, turn the camera around here, I'm going to be going from a 2.5-inch suspension that sags, old, run down, sitting on the 2.5-inch blocks, to an actual Tom Bronco parts 2.5-inch lift, and which I have sitting right over here. I'll share with you guys. Still sitting here. I can't wait to be able to get to work on that, hopefully sooner than later. And so yeah, that's about it. That's a little sneak peek. Oh, that's not it. That is not it. So right on the other side of my table here, excuse for all the twisting here, right on the other side of this table I have Fender Flares, which I'll have a video on that. I do have Tom Bronco Fender Flares, which I didn't even know these were Tom Bronco Fender Flares until I got a new set, and to come find out they're actually the same kind. But I got a set so that, excuse my hand, I got a set of them so that I could have front and rear done. Seems to be that time for Fender Flares. There's a few different videos out right now about the Fender Flares, but just one more thing that I've added to my list of things that I plan on doing for these videos. And so got the bumpers, the Fender Flares, I have the rear suspension as well as the front suspension. It's the whole set, but I'm just going to be starting with the rears first, and then I'm waiting for new parts from James Duff. That's going to be covering some of the front clip stuff. I'm going to be doing new radius arms. I'm doing the T-Rex arms, and I can provide some extra links and stuff in the sneak peek if you want, and to check those out. But yeah, I'm just waiting for that stuff to come in, delivered to my house, and then I'll have my front clip set up with new steering components and everything as well. So a lot of exciting things coming up. Sorry it's been a little bit of a delay for videos, but yeah, it's exciting. Also, if you happen to watch this, I'm trying to make some decisions on what to do with, let's have a better backdrop here. Trying to make some decisions on what to do with the channel. On, do I make the channel more episodic? Do I make it where it's just individual parts? Like the sneak peek, I'll have it separate, but anything to do with the Bronco, I was thinking about making it episodic. I saw that being done on a few different videos, including like Matt's Garage. And so let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you haven't subscribed and you haven't been a part of my channel yet and you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the likes definitely help the channel out, and look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments, and hope you like the videos that have been coming out so far, and I got a lot more videos coming up. So thank you so much for watching if you made it this far in the video, and until next time, talk to you guys later.